Okay, ladies, I'm officially 1 year older. I can stop talking about summer. I can stop talking about my birthday. All of it has taken place and I am happy. I am happy to finally say that I am almost kind of sort of, I guess you could say I'm ready for fall. Now this is a lace wig and I'm going to get into it in a minute. You'll see that I'm going to part it down the center. And this is a really nice glueless fit lace wig that you'll be able to switch up. You can push the bang back. I customized my bang a little bit and just trimmed it to my face. But you don't have to do much at all. Plop the wig on, you know, bump the bang a little bit if you need to. This one has a beautiful, nice length. It has gorgeous sheen. I added no sheen or oil or anything to this one, and it has the perfect cut and length. I'm gonna jump into the tutorial on how I installed and styled this girl. You can even see the gorgeous lace poking out, but I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Be sure to check her out. Of course, I have a direct link down below. She's perfect for fall, and she's definitely gonna be a staple for me. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, ladies, let's get right into it. RPGSHOW sends over this gorgeous girl. Get a load of the packaging. Of course, I had to do a little reveal and I had it backwards and upside down, but you guys get the picture. I'll show all the details on the packaging and everything they included towards the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. Also, don't forget to follow them on all their social medias. I'll have them in the description box. Look at the packaging, look at the presentation. I wanted to show you guys straight out of the box that even the tissue paper and the sticker is embossed an RPGSHOW logo. Absolutely amazing. Here is the star of the show as well as a sneak peek. I did go ahead and pull out a couple of goodies. I'm going to pull out the flyaway tamer, and then I received this in pretty much every single package, and then I also pulled out the melt belt. Now ask me why I pulled out the melt belt. Although this is a 13x6 lace wig, we are doing a bang, so we don't need the melt belt, but I did pull it out, not even thinking at the moment, but I definitely am going to show you guys me using the flyaway tamer today. Look at the lace and how it peeps through, even though this is a front bang. Here I'll show you the hair, the silkiness, the length, the body. It's absolutely beautiful. You guys can see the texture is going to be amazing when we silk press. Here's a look at what the wig looks like from the inside. Now this is the new Glueless Fit 2.0 wig. She has a tinted transparent Swiss lace, upgraded pre-plucked and pre-bleached hairline, invisible knots, and a real scalp. This is the adjustable and removable elastic band. I'm going to attach that back into the wig and we're going to just go ahead and throw her on. So this is what she looks like on, and it's giving silky. This is very good high quality hair, so this wig is going to last you a really long time, especially with great maintenance. Here I'm showing you guys the hairline as well as what it will look like pushed back. Now don't be afraid, this one does have a bang, but if you are a girl who loves a good headband, you can for sure pull this one off by pushing the hair back and doing, you know, different styles with the headbands. Especially if you're a gym girly, pull it back, get your sweat on, and you are still good to go. Here I am trying to show you guys all of the way it looks. Be sure to grab the wig from the inside and you'll be able to center it based on where the lace sits. Now here I'm going to show you guys how it looks parted. Now again, this one is a bang, layered bang wig, but you definitely have 13x6 lace, so you can for sure switch it up. Even think about doing like twisties or cornrows up front. You can definitely push this hair back and do different looks. This is what the lace look when you have it as a center part, and obviously you won't be able to do it as a center part with the bang down, but again, you can like twist it or add braids or just different style details. So again, don't be afraid of the bang. So now let's get into the install and style. I'm going to add one of these little headbands to go ahead and push the hair back. This is going to allow me to, again, make sure that my wig is centered, and then of course cut off all of the excess lace. And this is a sneak peek of what it will look like with a headband. Of course, this is not a headband I'd wear outside. This is what I use to really like just groom and do my facials and things like that. But you guys can, you know, get the picture. Now I'm just using some shears to cut off the excess lace, and whenever we cut off the excess lace, lace, you will notice that this one looks glueless as well as seamless. There is no lace there and it's not bonded down, and it literally blends with my skin seamlessly. It fits flat, it fits on the hairline perfectly. So we will be installing this one with no glue, no gel, no spray, no melt belt. We're not bonding anything down. This is one that you can just put on, style how you like, and literally go. Now, if I did not mention, this one is 20 inches in length. She is 200% density. I do have a coupon code. You can enter my name, Ashley, at checkout for a nice hefty discount. And once we cut out the excess lace, boom, we are installed already. If you want a little extra support, especially like if you're traveling or going on roller coasters, you could definitely take the time to bond this one down before you remove that little headband. Now let's go ahead and do our styling. So for me, I did go ahead and add a little bit more hair to my bang. This is definitely not necessary. They give you more than enough, but I kind of just decided how I kind of wanted mine. So I did go ahead and add a little bit more on the other side. Then I went ahead and bumped the bang, and then from there I'm going to take the flyaway tamer, and this is just going to smooth out everything around the lace parting. I want it nice and flat and smooth and sleek. It does add a little bit of shine, so do be careful not to add too much because it can give oily, just like any other wax stick, especially when you're doing like silky straight hair. But again, this is a step that I feel like it sometimes feels like it's not necessary or you can skip, but I can tell when somebody didn't do their dynamic duo. Like when your hair is flat, but it's like straight out of the box flat, it doesn't give salon flat. I can tell the difference. We all need to go in and just make sure your hair is slaying, and this definitely is a key step for me. Be careful when you go along the front, because since you have that bang there, you have the illusion that you can kind of like press up front, but it's very easy to go in and burn yourself. Here I decided to just add just a little bit more, and again, this is all about preference. You don't have to cut or trim anything. They provide the perfect cut and layer in the front, so you don't have to do anything at all. This was just something that I chose to do on my own. And then for the ends, I did opt to not put anything, but if you do want to add something, I'd recommend a heat protectant or maybe even like a dry oil for a little bit more sheen. You don't need it, but again, you can never go wrong with adding just a little bit of heat protectant. And this is what it looks like on this side when you silk press it out. So of course I did the same thing on the opposite side. Using a rat tail comb will really turn up your press a notch and give you a nice silk press. Also, if you find that your hair is not getting as straight as you want, do smaller sections and like part the hair out, and this will give you the look that you want. And then I kind of set it off by bumping the bangs. You can definitely bump the bangs a little bit too tight, so be careful with that. Of course, all the details on this one are in the description box. Okay, love bugs, so we are done with the look, and I love the way this one came out. Oh my gosh, having technical difficulties, but this is the look. And as you guys can see, this is their mushroom brown long layered wig, and it does have layers in the front, as you guys can see. Really nice. It has a beautiful mushroom brown color, and of course it's adorned with this perfect bang. Now you guys did see I did trim mine. Typically I will just keep the bang as is, but I really like this one. This is going to be a perfect fall staple wig. But look at the sheen on this one, the length. It is so nice and it's full of body. Let me show you guys the packaging. So you guys seen pretty much a good amount of like the packaging and the goodies in the beginning of the video. Everything was nicely packaged in this beautiful RPGSHOW dust bag, and it has like a nice soft velvety feel to it. Very much a luxury, very much classy. And you also see me open up this little envelope. It was nicely sealed, and inside I did take out this, which is the flyaway tamer. Now I do already have a couple bottles of this, but it was easier just to grab this one. And this one here is pretty much a wax stick, and you guys know if you watch any of my hair tutorials, a wax stick is key in my installs. So I like the fact that they provide you one, because you definitely, this one will come in handy, and it's really nice. So I just use this along the tops to kind of like flatten and smooth and get rid of any flyaways. And I pair it with the electric hot comb, and we call that the dynamic duo over here. So I'm happy I got a fresh bottle of this. Also inside this little envelope, They did give us the milk belt, which I don't know what I was thinking. You guys probably seen unless I cut the clip. When I pulled this out, I also pulled this out, and I showed you guys that I was going to be using these two things. But because it's a bang, you don't need to use this in this. So if you want to like lay the hair back and push it all back, you can use this along the hairline. But typically a milk belt is mainly for like your hairline, your frontal, your closure, to really get it in there and melt it. So technically this has a lace, so you still can use it on this wig. But for a bang, this would create a crimp. So I did not use this. Then also they gave me 2 packs of this deep conditioner, and I love this. They've been sending me packs of this for years, and I remember even when they first sent me some to sample, and it's really good. It's called a Buriti, and it's called a Buriti Oil Wig Deep Conditioner. It smooths, softs, and moistens. So they gave me 2 packs of this. Wash your wig as normal, dry it, wash and condition your wig as normal, and then throw a layer on this and let it sit for a little bit to kind of deep condition. And this is how you keep your wig soft and kind of bring it back after, you know, after a while it needs that extra bit of love. And then also in my package, I did get a pack of brown wig caps. And then we also, actually we got 2 packs of brown wig caps. So I'm gonna keep one for myself because these are perfect, and then I'm gonna keep one for you guys. And then of course they gave us the magazine. You guys know RPG Show has their own magazine, because who you know got their own magazine. I'll wait. And then the last 2 items in my package, this is like a sleeve. So you get, not only do you get the dust bag, but you get this nice little home for your wig. It does say RPG Show, established in 2006. And this is like a home, like a little nest for your wig. So you'll be able to store it in here, and then you can nicely like lay it flat in your luggage or your travel. Or like if you have like a hair or wig closet, this one here will keep it like protected and dust free, and it lets you know what brand the wig is if you are a wig collector with many. And then last but most certainly not least, they give you this here, which is pretty much like a thank you from the owner, Yolanda. You guys know that name is special to me because that's my mommy's name. And then also, or not owner, but CEO, I'm sorry. And also they gave me language on mine, which is your order information. Mine is a silky 20-inch size 1 13x6 Glueless Fit 2.0 Swiss lace front wig. She is 200% density, tinted transparent Swiss lace in the color light brown. And then the color itself is same as picture when you click the link in the description box and go over and check it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Look at that bounce, look at that body, look at that sheen, look at that color. All of it is amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Be sure to check her out. Of course, there's a direct link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.